Okay, let's take a look at the Extrude Inner here in Cinema 4D. This tool operates in a similar way to Extrude. However, in contrast to Extrude, the selected polygons are extruded inwards or optionally outwards. To enter Extrude interactively, you can drag left or right within the viewport. Okay, so let's see what that means. Let's grab our trusty cube. We'll make it editable. And let's go ahead and grab a face here. So we'll grab our live selection. We're going to grab this face. We'll right click and we'll go to Extrude Inner. Now, if I click and drag to the right, you can see it's moving outwards. If I move to the left, it's moving inwards. We could come over here and just hit delete on the keyboard now with our face selected. And now we have this hole. That's one way you could use it. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of that. I'm going to put a plane in the scene. And I want to make sure that lines is on. Let's go ahead and take the plane and put it on plus Y. Let's see, plus Z. I want to take the width and height to 3 and 3. Let's go ahead and make this object editable. So now we're dealing with polygons. Now let's go ahead and right click and go to Extrude Inner and see what we have. So let's go ahead and left click and drag to the right, and you can see that we're extruding outwards. If we go to the left, we're extruding inwards. And that is based on what we have selected over here. That's not exactly what we want. Okay, but what I really want to create here is something that looks a little bit more like a window or window pane. So what I want to do is uncheck the preserve groups here. Now, if I click down, I get something like this, and I could hit delete now, and I have these selected. Now I could Control A, extrude, and I could extrude these. I get something that looks a little more like window panes, and I could go in and put my windows in here. So this is a little bit more like the intended result. All right, so let's go ahead and just render that out. You can kind of see what we have here. So the Extrude Inner tool is another one of these really powerful tools that you will use almost daily in your modeling career.